Hi, and welcome to Learn to Decode. Today, we're going to be working on some comprehensible input about doing laundry. Simple comprehensible input with putting wash into a dryer, and then comprehensible input about putting the laundry into the washing machine. So I hope you enjoy this comprehensible input video with us at Learn to Decode. This is the dryer. These are the controls on the dryer. Regular, normal, delicates for fine washables, bulky items, whites, colors, towels. I'll open the door. Here is where the lint goes. I'll clean the lint. Clean the lint. Yuck. Clean the lint. Put that back. Put it back in. Push. Push. What's this? Gum wrappers. Ew. Gum wrappers. I'll throw this away. I'll throw this away. Now I'm going to take out the towels. Take out the towels from the dryer. I'm grabbing the towels. Grabbing the towels to take them out of the dryer. Take all the towels out. There's a few more, just a few more. Grab them and take them out. Put them in the basket. Reach, I'm reaching. Put them in the basket. Now push this out of my way. Close the door. It's time to do laundry. This is the washing machine. There are knobs to control the cycles, like normal, delicate, casual, light. The water level can be filled to low, medium, high, max. The temperature can be hot, warm, colors, cool, or cold. We'll keep it on hot. These are the buttons to turn it on and start the cycle. I'm opening the lid, and I will open the door to the dryer. Now I will reach in to the washing machine, grab the wet, damp, clean laundry. It's just damp. And put it in the dryer. Reach in to the washing machine, take out the wash, throw it in to the dryer. Push that in. Go back to the washing machine. Grab the laundry. Throw it into the dryer. Throw it in. Grab the laundry. Throw it into the dryer. Then I will get a dryer sheet. The dryer sheet, so things aren't staticky, it makes it softer. Toss that in. Toss or throw that into the dryer. Close the door. Here are the controls for the dryer. Turn it on. The power button turns it on. I'll select normal, select this button. I could select something else, but I'm going to select normal. I'll turn it on. I have to hold it. And now the dryer is on. The laundry is tumbling. It's tumbling around and around. I can see it because this is clear. I can see through the clear plastic to see the laundry tumbling. Now I need to do more laundry. I'll go over here and grab a blanket. Grab the blanket. And then I will put the blanket into the machine. I'll try to make it even so it balances all around. Put it even. Just kind of let it be in there softly. Then I'll get the laundry detergent or laundry soap. I'll push the button so that the soap goes into the cup, the measuring cup, so I can see how much soap. The soap is clear. It's kind of thick, a thick liquid, but thick and clear. I can see through it. I'll pour the laundry soap around onto the blanket. Close the lid a little bit. Push the button and then start. The water comes out, the water, like a shower, it comes out. And I'll rinse the cup. Rinse the cup to get all the laundry soap out of the cup. The water is getting hot. It's getting very hot. My last rinse because the water's just too hot. It's too hot, so I'm all done with that. I'll shake out the cup, shake it, close the lid, tilt this back up. I'll tilt that back up and put the cap back on. Now I'm done with the laundry. All done with the laundry.